Hey, check this out. This is a 2010 Ford chassis with a fiberglass box on the back that was made by a company called Unicell, and it's the Aerocell model. And it's super aerodynamic, hence the name Aerocell. And this guy that owns it, he takes this thing everywhere, and it's been really attracting the crowd here at the Van Fest. But he built the inside himself, and the back end of it opens up. You can see it just like lifts up like a big garage door, and it opens up the back to this his inside of his camper. Check it out. He's got indirect lighting. He's got a shower up front, a toilet up front. He's got a kitchen, nice sized bed, plenty of storage. And he said he likes to just like back up to a camping spot, like maybe with a nice view, open the door, and he's got his little private world there looking into that view. But check out this just a white big body. It looks nothing at all like a camper. You would just think it's a work truck, which is what it was really designed to be. Was like a plumber's truck or an electrician's truck with shelving inside of it. And there it is, a super stealthy camper. Who would expect that to be a camper? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.